ZANU-PF thugs greeted the looters known as Zviganandas, believing they would remain in control. It is now time, and the time has come. Time to rescue Zimbabwe from Zvigananda capture. Pangwa ino Zvigananda zvakauya pangwa ino zvichiluta or zvichicapture our state, believing they would remain in control. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa ino mzimai. Kamdonyora chiti. Today, the tables have turned. With their immense wealth from state plunder, Zvigananda now dictate terms to the very ZANU-PF operatives who once empowered them. Chinu chedu ichi takachibata kuti G boasted quick notify, and he wasn't wrong. The looters' power is grown so great that they can bend even influential party members to their will. A recent clash between Christopher Mnangagwa and KUTYA Tagore illustrated this shift. Mnangagwa moved Tagore, claiming that wealth alone cannot secure a place in ZANU-PF. Yet Tagore, a member of the ZANU-PF Central Committee and on track to become first secretary and potentially state president, shows that influence and money now wield decisive power within the party. Mnangagwa, it seems, is eating humble pie. Zvigananda have effectively captured ZANU-PF, and with it, the state. They rule unchecked, manipulating politics and resources with impunity. God have mercy on Zimbabweans as the country struggles under the grip of the elite cartel. Thomas Karudani Kopangwa ine vanhu vachiti yes, tinozvisa Zvigananda zvaka capture the country, zvine control, they are powerful, they've got the resources, nezvese zvinazvo. But panguva ino people they are mobilizing, but it is now the time to rescue Zimbabwe from Zvigananda. A recent rift yakaitika, a recent clash between Mnangagwa and KUTYA Tagore yanyozoratidza kuti these guys, yes, vanogona kuwirirana pane zvavanenge vachiita, but they are not guaranteed that they are going to succeed. Yes, they managed to defeat VP Kosanu Chwenga for the last week conference, but panguva ino people they are not yet surrendered. Havasati vabvuma defeat. Varikupa panguva chinouya vachiti time to rescue Zimbabwe ichiripo, let us rise up. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutudi muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu zvafundo enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.